Wait a second. That's not a red DeLorean. What's up, tubers? Welcome back to my teeny tiny channel. That is not a red DeLorean. That is a red Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Well, here it is. This thing's super cool. I mean, this is straight out of the 90s. Look at that. Tape player. Woohoo! Oh, and a CD player. I didn't even notice that the first time. Let's see what we got. All right. Hey, I got a tape. What do we got? NKOTB. Hanging tough, baby. And I got a CD. What kind of CD do I got here? Tchaikovsky. Yeah, I could pop that in on some back roads driving and just relax to that. Oh, more tapes. Oh, this is super cool. Let's see, we got Diana Ross and Linda Clifford. I don't know who that is, but I know who Diana Ross is. Awesome. And fuse box cover with fuses. Okay. Oh, shoot. More tapes. Oh, this is awesome. Let's see. Okay. And whack. Okay. Let's see. How does this open? Ooh. Okay. What do we got in here? We got some bubble gum. Really? Hey, how about that? I got $10 in quarters. Woohoo! And fuses and paper clips. You can never have too many paper clips. And the little black lighter. So every car from the 90s needs a little black lighter. I feel like that was bought at a 7-Eleven. More quarters in the ashtray. Must have been going through some tolls or something. Active arrow, cruise control. That's an interesting place for cruise control. Okay. CD tape. I love this screen. That is so cool. Man, I can't wait to see what works and what doesn't. Sweet. The back seat's in great shape. Yeah, this thing's gonna clean up nice. And I found Papa Smurf's screwdriver. We have an amp and a bass tube. Okay, I mean, it fits. Okay, so we got missing pieces over here. I'll have to look for that. Oh, more missing pieces over here. Let's get this side. We have a spare tire, yay! And what looks to be a factory jack and toolkit, sweet! I must say I'm extremely impressed that these shocks are holding this hatch up. They must be new within the last few years. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's pretty clean. Oh, I can't wait to clean this thing up.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.
This thing cleaned up so nice. Look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at that. The paint on this car is actually in really good shape. This is gonna be a fun little project, I think. Well, now that this thing has been washed and it's a little bit cleaner, at least on the outside, I have not done the inside yet. It's time to get this thing started. So we kind of tinkered with it the day it showed up, and what we figured out, the starter relay has gone bad. And the way we know this is, when I was trying to start the car, it was actually just clicking. So later that night, I jumped this pin right here to this pin right here, and the car turned over like it wanted to start. So I didn't start it that way, but I jumped online and found a new starter relay. Woohoo! This was at AutoZone, and it was about $38 and change, call it 39 bucks. Has a lifetime warranty, and I'm gonna stick it in and hopefully start this car. All right, it's go time. Let's see if this thing starts. Ugh. Well, that was a bust. I guess if I drank pickle beer on my channel, that would be a can of pickle beer, but I don't. Okay, so I'm going to jump it again and let's see what happens. All right, let's try it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, it's running. She ain't happy, but she's running. I have like zero clutch. Well, maybe this little AutoZone relay is not good after all. Maybe I'm going to have to order the more expensive, actually twice the price relay. I don't know. But the car starts, so that's a jumping off point. Now I just got to figure everything else out. The clutch, for some reason, like I have no clutch. No feel, like there's no resistance. I mean, it's just no clutch, it feels like. And I had it yesterday. Brakes are kind of iffy as well. It's the weirdest thing. You got to kind of pump the brakes a couple times just to build up pressure. But yesterday, they seem to want to work. I don't know. It's been intermittent. So, I got a few things to figure out on this car. But I think overall, it's going to be a pretty cool car to cruise around and have some fun with. I've never had an all-wheel drive car before, let alone one that's pushing supposedly like 300 horsepower. I mean, this could be a really fun, like, back roads, twisty, turny roads, just a fun driving car. That's where I'm at with this thing. I'll keep it short this time. But that's the new car that I'm working on. So this is probably that's like the 8th red car in a row that I've had. This is ridiculous. See, the BMW, the NSX, the Z06, the Lightning, this one. Oh, the DeLorean, duh. Then the Ferrari. Am I missing one? I don't know. I can't seem to get away from red cars. But if you like cool 90s stuff and cool 80s stuff like I do, hit like, hit subscribe, follow along on all these projects, and hopefully I'll see you out and about at one of these shows. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.